Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Barbie inspired outfit in DTI. So here we are building the ultimate Barbie inspired outfit, full of glam, confidence, and that iconic pink outfit. So let me show you the step to create this one. So for the hair, I'm going to combine this bangs in here in blonde, and also this up to here, this one, color is the same. So once you're done with the hair, you can start making the outfit. So here for the outfit, I'm going to make this retro Barbie outfit. So let's put on this tank top, and I'm going to change the color into blue and the material into light silk. And for the pants, I'm going to wear this biker short and two pleats into type 3. Use the same color like the top and change the material. And now I'm going to put on this belt, color it pink. And for the shoe, I'm going to combine this two shoe, this sneakers in here, color it pink. And for the shoe tie, I'm going to use a light pink. Then also this Mary Jane shoe, and also color it pink. So the shoe will look like this. And now let's just finish the look with this accessory here. I'm going to find it on the code items. The first one is this eyelashes. And next one is this leg warmer, this one. And for the leg warmer, I'm going to change the color using this rainbow color. So this is the final look for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.